What if the smell coming from your dog is not just dirt, but a hidden story written into their skin, their coat, and their silent discomfort every dog carries a world beneath their fur, a delicate ecosystem that reflects healthcare and attention said. When mats begin to form, they are not simply tangled hair, they are tight prisons where moisture, bacteria, and debris collect without escape. In the philosophy of veterinary wellness, often emphasized by Dr. Karen Becker, the body is always communicating, and a dog's coat is one of its loudest voices. A matted dog is not just unkempt, it is often uncomfortable, overheated, and silently struggling with inflammation that most owners cannot immediately see. As the fur tightens, airflow disappears and the skin beneath becomes a breeding ground for odor-causing microorganisms. What seems like a simple grooming issue slowly evolves into a biological imbalance that affects confidence, mobility, and overall well-being. Many pet owners mistake the smell for normal dog odor, but science tells a different story. Odor is often a signal of trapped bacteria, breaking down oils, sweat, and organic debris. Dr. Karen Becker frequently reminds caregivers that prevention is always kinder than correction. And nowhere is that more evident than in coat maintenance armises. When we ignore early tangles, we allow them to tighten into mats that pull on the skin with every movement, creating discomfort that dogs endure silently. The science behind the smell is deeply tied to moisture retention, because matted fur holds humidity like a sponge, especially after baths or walks in damp environments. Inside these hidden layers, microbes thrive, releasing compounds that produce that unmistakable sour, musty scent. Yet beyond the science lies something more emotional, a reminder that our dogs depend entirely on us to interpret their needs. A healthy coat is not just about appearance. It is a reflection of internal balance, nutrition, and attentive care. When grooming is really consistent, the skin breathes freely, circulation improves, and the natural oils distribute, evenly creating not just a cleaner coat, but a more comfortable life for the animal. Understanding this connection transforms grooming from a cosmetic routine into an act of compassion and responsibility. For many dog owners, this realization becomes a turning point, where they begin to observe their pets more closely, noticing subtle changes in behavior, energy, and comfort levels that were previously overlooked. A dog that once resisted touch or grooming may actually be signaling pain hidden beneath layers of tangled fur and compressed skin. This awareness aligns with the holistic principles supported by Dr. Karen Becker, who encourages seeing pets not as accessories but as living beings requiring daily mindful care. The journey toward healthier skin and odor-free coats begins with patience, consistency, and understanding that every grooming session is an opportunity to restore comfort and trust between human and animal. The science may explain the smell, but compassion explains the solution. And through that balance, we discover a deeper bond that strengthens over time. As the problem of matting deepens, the hidden consequences begin to unfold in ways that many dog owners do not immediately recognize. And what starts as a simple tangle can slowly evolve into a complex health concern that reaches far beneath the surface of the coat. When air cannot circulate through dense mats, the skin underneath becomes warm, damp, and increasingly vulnerable to irritation, infection, and painful pressure points that develop over time. This is where the science of skin health intersects with the philosophy of whole-body wellness, often discussed by Dr. Karen Becker, who consistently emphasizes that external symptoms are rarely isolated events, but reflections of internal imbalance and environmental neglect. The unpleasant odor that arises is not random. It is a chemical byproduct of bacteria and yeast feeding on trapped oils, sweat, and organic matter that has been sealed against the skin like a closed ecosystem. With every movement the dog makes, those tight mats pull on the skin, causing micro tears that may go unnoticed but still contribute to inflammation and discomfort that quietly affects behavior, energy, and mood. Over time, this discomfort can lead to changes in posture, reluctance to be touched, and even withdrawal from normal interaction, because the body is constantly communicating distress in subtle ways that require attentive observation. A deeper understanding reveals that matted coats also interfere with the body's natural cooling system, since dogs rely heavily on their skin and coat to regulate temperature. When that system is compromised, heat becomes trapped, leading to additional stress on the immune system and increasing susceptibility to skin infections that produce even stronger odors. The progression can feel almost invisible at first, but eventually becomes impossible to ignore as the smell intensifies and the coat becomes heavier, more compact, and increasingly difficult to manage without professional intervention. In many cases, owners only realize the severity when grooming finally reveals what has been hidden underneath a thick, dense layer of entanglement, where the skin may already be irritated or inflamed. Karen Becker often highlights the importance of early intervention and mindful grooming routines as a form of preventive medicine rather than reactive treatment, because once the cycle of matting begins, it tends to accelerate quickly if not addressed properly. The emotional weight of this discovery can be surprising for many caregivers who did not realize how much discomfort their dog had been enduring in silence. Yet it also becomes a powerful moment of awareness that transforms future care habits. From this perspective, grooming is no longer a cosmetic task, but a vital health practice that supports circulation, hygiene, comfort, and emotional well-being. Every brush stroke becomes a way to restore not just the appearance of the top coat, but the underlying harmony of the skin, allowing the dog to move freely, breathe easier, and experience relief from the hidden tension that had been building beneath the surface. This understanding bridges science and empathy, creating a more conscious approach to pet care, where observation, patience, and consistency become the foundation of long-term health and comfort for every dog, regardless of breed size or lifestyle. When the final layer of understanding is reached, it becomes clear that solving the problem of tall, matted coats and persistent odor is not simply about grooming tools or occasional baths, but about building a lifestyle of consistent care that respects the biology of the dog's skin and coat at every stage of life. The transformation begins when owners shift their perspective from reacting to smell to preventing the conditions that created in the first place. This shift is deeply aligned with the holistic approach, often associated with Dr. Karen Becker, who encourages pet guardians to look at the entire picture of health, including nutrition, hydration, environment, and daily habits that influence skin resilience. A healthy coat starts from within, because skin is an extension of internal systems that rely on balanced nutrition, rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that support natural oil production. Cellular repair. When these foundations are strong, the coat becomes more resistant to tangling, moisture retention, and bacterial overgrowth, which are the primary drivers of odor in matted dogs. Regular grooming then acts as the external support system that keeps this internal balance visible and functional, allowing airflow to reach the skin and preventing debris from scales. In dense fur layers, each grooming session becomes a moment of observation where subtle changes in texture, density, or scent can alert owners to early signs of imbalance long before they develop into more serious concerns. In this way, grooming becomes not just maintenance, but communication, a silent dialogue between human and animal that builds trust and awareness over time. The act of carefully brushing through the coat is also an act of physical comfort for many dogs, helping to stimulate circulation, distribute natural oils evenly, and release tension that may have built up in tight or sensitive areas. Over time, dogs that once resisted grooming often begin to relax into the process, associating it with relief rather than stress. And this behavioral change itself becomes a sign of improved well-being. When odor is eliminated through proper care, what remains is a healthier, more balanced environment where the skin can function as it was designed, without interference from trapped moisture or harmful microbial growth. The lesson that emerges is simple yet profound. Neglect allows small problems to compound into larger ones, while consistent attention prevents those same problems from ever taking root. Karen Becker often reminds caregivers that prevention is the highest form of kindness, and nowhere is this more visible than in the daily care of a dog's coat, which reflects both external grooming habits and internal health status. Ultimately, the responsibility of caring for a dog extends beyond feeding and walking into the quieter, more detailed practices that shape long, long-term comfort and vitality. And when owners embrace this responsibility fully, they discover that the absence of odor is not just a cosmetic improvement, but a sign of deeper harmony between body environment and care. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notifications so you can see our new videos early.